too small to be observed with the naked eyes. Thank you.
Myself, Ashwini from class 9. I nominated as a Ella House Science and Social Secretary. My symbol is duster. Why I choose duster? Because duster is helpful for everyone. Duster is helpful for everyone. Duster is used to remove the dust from the blackboard. So please vote for me. Thank you. Myself, Mani Nandu from class 9. I am nominated as Red House Secretary. My symbol is watch. I select this symbol because it represents the value of time and punctuality. It is a reminder that I am less sensitive. The watch can serve as a constant reminder to your dreams, and I promise to be actively listening the concern of all students. Thank you. Everyone, myself Sadia from class 9. I have been nominated as Red House Games and Sports Secretary. And I have chosen this symbol because no one can express their feelings by words. They can write with the help of a pen and they can express their feelings. Like that, I want to be your pen and you can share your express feelings. You can share your feelings with me, and I promise you that I will listen to every problem and I will solve every problem which facing by you. And जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं तब हमारे हाथों में पेंसिल की जगह पेन लिया जाता है, क्योंकि हम समझ पाए कि अब हमारी गलतियों को मिटाना इतना आसान नहीं है। वैसे ही एक पेन अब गलती नहीं मिटा सकती है, लेकिन मैं आपको एक वादा करती हूँ कि आपके जो भी गलती आप करेंगे मैं आप सबको उस सुधारूंगी। प्लीज वोट फॉर मी। थैंक यू। थैंक यू। Arisa from class 10. I am here standing here for the role of head girl. As you all know, today the elections are going to held in our school, and my symbol is uniform. I have chosen this symbol because the uniform shows equality and discipline. So I will show the same equality among you. I will solve all your problems related to academics, sports and co-curricular activities and day-to-day problems. If I also become head girl, I promise to work hard with all my zeal, work in collaboration with you, and I will encourage you in each and everything. So please vote for me, and my symbol is uniform. Thank you for listening.
Everyone, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Yashri from class 10th. I am running for the role of head girl. My symbol is bulb. It is built on 4 core pillars: bright, united, leading and beneficial. Bright. Firstly, I ensure that a school is a place where all the ideas flourish. This means creating more opportunities for creative expression and innovation. Second, I aim to ensure a fostering united community where everyone feels included and valued. Unite. I want to lead by example and empower others to do the same. Leadership is nothing but serving others. Beneficial. Finally, I'll make a beneficial change in our school that may positively impact on our school by creating English environment, helping others and motivating others, and etc. I am passionate about our school where we all can thrive. I am confident that with your support we can all achieve this. Let's make our school bright, more united and beneficial for everyone. Thanks for your time and consideration. Vote me for the role of head girl. Together we can shine brighter.
Yes. Once again.
My symbol is bulb. Please vote me, everyone. Thank you.
As we all know that today the elections are going to held in our school. I am nominated as head boy of this institution. My symbol is heart. Why I have chosen heart symbol? Because heart is the main organ in the human body. Heart pumps 60 to 100 times per minute. Heart pumps the blood to all parts of our body. Without heart, a human can't survive. Without head boy, a school can't survive.
symbol is sun. I have chosen this symbol because the sun gives his brightness to show way for people. If you elect me as a head boy, I will give my brightness to show a way for you. If you are plants, I will be the source of energy for you for the process of photosynthesis. Definitely, I will make an English environment in our school and make the students to be disciplined and well behaved with the school. I will be like a friend so that you can share any of your problems with me. I will make you to perform well in the extracurricular activities such as dance, dancing, singing, giving speeches, etc. I can boost your mood by reducing stress. So please vote for me. Thank you.
Thank you for this opportunity, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear students. So, as we know that our seniors, they have nominated for certain posts in our institution, and we know that our student body elections are going to be held in our institution. So many people are proposed to do many things, but you have the right to select the right person. Choose the, you have to elect that right person, and do not waste your vote. Do not waste your vote. So many people are making so many promises. You think and vote the right person. And మరి మన మరి కొద్దిసేపట్లో మరి హెడ్ బాయ్ హెడ్ మరి వివిధ శాఖలో నాయకులు మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైనటువంటి ఓటు హక్కు ద్వారా ఎన్నుకోబడుతున్నారు. మరి మీకు అందరూ కూడా క్లాసికల్ ఓటర్ స్లిప్ ఇచ్చారు. ఎవరైతే తీసుకోలేదో వాళ్ళు తీసుకోవాలి. మీరు ఓటు వేసేటప్పుడు క్లాసులు వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు స్లిప్లు తీసుకొని వెళ్ళాలి. అదేవిధంగా మరి ఎన్నికల సమయంలో అందరూ వాళ్ళ పట్టాలు తెలుసుకుంటారు. మరి మనము అందరూ చేస్తున్నారు. మీ వ్యక్తిగతంగా మీ ఓటు మీ వ్యక్తిగతం కాబట్టి పాఠశాలను ఎవరైతే చక్కగా పనిచేస్తారో మన పాఠశాలను అన్ని రంగాల్లో మరి ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అంటున్నాము. మరి అందరూ ప్రయత్నిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. మరి ఇంకా చక్కగా పాఠశాల అన్ని రంగాల్లో అభివృద్ధి పడేందుకు మరి ఎవరైతే కరెక్ట్ నాయకులుగా ఉంటారో నాయకురాలుగా ఉంటారో వారిని మీ యొక్క అభిప్రాయం వేరే వాళ్ళు చెప్పింది కాదు, మీ యొక్క సొంత అభిప్రాయంతో వారిని ఓటు వేయాలని కోరుతున్నాను.
ఈరోజు మన పాఠశాల నాయకత్వం గురించి ఎన్నికలు నిర్వహించడం, దానికి ఇందాకే రవికుమార్ చెప్పారు. ఒక సమర్థవంతమైనటువంటి నాయకులను మనం ఎన్నుకోవాలి. ఆ ఎన్నిక మన ఓటు పైన ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది. అయితే నాయకులు అనేవాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు సేవకుని, వాళ్ళెప్పుడు నాయకులు అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక నిర్దిష్ట ప్రణాళికతో అవసరమైనటువంటి విద్యార్థులకు అవసరమైనటువంటి సేవలు చేయగలిగిన వాడే నాయకుడు. నాయకుడు అంటే ఏదో ఉండడం ఏదో పెద్దాలి కాదు, సర్వెంట్గా ఉండాలి. నాయకుడు కాబట్టి మీరు చెప్పిన పనిని సమర్థవంతంగా చేసే వారిని మీ నాయకులే. పక్కన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు చేశారో నేను వాళ్ళకి వేయడం అని కాదు. ఇంకొకటి మర్చిపోయాను, ఓటు వేసిన తర్వాత దయచేసి అది మరొకరికి చెప్పండి. ఇది మీ జీవితంలో కీలకమైనటువంటి అంశం. మనం వేసిన ఓటు చాలా సీక్రెట్గా ఉంది. అట్లా ఉంటే మనం చేసినటువంటి ఓటుకు విలువ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి అన్నింటినీ దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని పాఠశాల మీకు కల్పించినటువంటి ఈ ఓటు హక్కును సమర్థవంతంగా వాడుకోండి. ఒక మంచి నాయకత్వాన్ని తీసుకోండి. అదేవిధంగా పాఠశాలను ఉన్నత స్థాయిలో ఉంచడానికి నియమంగా కృషి చేయండి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Hi, good morning. What is happening in the school today? Okay. Have you casted your vote?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me the finger? Yeah, exactly. Okay. Okay, Varsha, tell me, what are the qualities you want to see from your elected candidate?
They have to see all the school. They have to maintain correctly like it only they have to vote for.
Are these elections helpful for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What qualities are you expecting from the leaders?
They will maintain well, they will see the classes well.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Varsha. Okay. What's your name?
My name is
Madhya, introduce yourself. Which class are you studying?
I'm from 8th standard.
Madhya, what is happening in our school today?
Today, school body elections are held in our school. So the right leaders in our school.
Okay, okay. Today you're going to vote for electing a head boy and a head girl and other secretaries. What qualities do you see in them?
So, in that, they should have leadership qualities and they should maintain discipline and they should be polite with their elders and their small ones. Be in disciplined manners.
Hey, do you think these elections are going to make any changes in students' future life?
Yes,
Are they important in school?
I think so. From that, children can get the importance of voting process and they can know what is the things from which we are voting, what is the main reason to vote.
Okay, are they going to help in your future elections like state elections or, uh, I mean, national elections?
Yes, they
Okay,
can help in many ways.
thank you, Madhya.
My name is Anya.
Okay, Alia, what is happening in school today?
The elections are going to be.
What elections? School elections?
Yeah.
Whom you are going to vote today?
I am unable to say that.
What qualities do you see in any head girl or a head boy whom you are going to?
I would like to see the communication skills, the honesty, work ethics, and the time punctuality.
Are these school elections going to help you in future?
Yeah, sir. If we get more information in the school itself, it will help us in the future in the state and national elections.
Okay, thank you, Alia. In the school today.
Today the elections are going in our school, so we are stood here to vote our representative.
Okay. Before casting your vote, do you have anything in your mind to whom you should give vote? Why you should give the vote exactly?
Yes.
All right. What qualities do you see in any leader?
Their integrity, their patience, their communication skills, and their passion and their vision.
Okay, thank you. And are these elections helpful for you in future?
Yes. Our school has also provided this voter slip. The real elections also will provide voter slip. So to create such beautiful environment by this voter slip, I think it will be useful.
What are there any changes would you like to see in future by the elected candidates in the
Yes,
school?
I few changes maybe by school infrastructure facilities and maybe discipline.
Okay. Anything else? Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you. What is happening in your school today?
Today the elections are going to held in our school, so we are going to elect the leaders for the cabinet leaders for our school.
Okay. What kind of a qualities do you like to see in the leaders whom you're going to cast your vote?
Their communicating skills, the promises they had done to make the school better than before,
Okay. What kind of a changes would you like to see in your school?
the infrastructure facilities,
and the promises which they had done about by their promises, by that the school made develop.
Would you like to see any changes in our school?
Yes.
What kind of a changes would you like to see in future?
In improving discipline in the students, but some members won't follow the discipline. By that, by their promises, we can help.
Thank you very much. What's your name?
My name is Sadia from 6th to 7th class.
Tell me, Sadia, what is happening in your school today?
We are electing our leaders. Our school is conducting elections in our school because we have to choose our leaders in our school. For electing leaders, we are casting our votes in our school. Thank you.
Okay. How the elections are important in our school? Are they going to help you for future?
Yes.
In what sense they are going to help you? Are they related to any state elections or parliament elections? Okay, that's okay. Could you please tell me how these leaders, what quality do you want to see in them?
I want to see the qualities in our leaders that they have to maintain our school in English environment and they have to maintain for our children to be in discipline and they want to encourage our students and they want to remove from our stage fear. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sadia. What's your name?
My name is Aditi. I am studying in 9th class.
Okay, Aditi, please tell me what is happening in the school today.
Elections are going in our school, and I am playing the role of State Chief Election Commissioner. State Election Commissioner is an autonomous and instituted to ensure that elections are conducted in free, fair, and biased ways. State Election Commissioner is responsible for elections for urban local bodies like municipalities and municipal corporations. They are appointed by governments. Thank you.
Okay, are you contesting for any post in these elections?
Yes, I am unanimously elected as Blue House Vice Captain, which is a great, precious opportunity I got from our school. And I will try my level best to serve for my school.
Thank you, Aditi. Do you think that is there ability? Do you have that ability to solve those problems whichever come across by the students?
Yes, I think I have the ability to solve all the problems students have, and I will definitely help those students who need me at any time.
Thank you, Aditi. What's your name?
Sanjana Vaishnav,
Sanjana. Which class are you studying?
9th class.
Sanjana, could you please tell me what is happening in the school today?
Elections are going to held in our school.
All right. So, are you contesting for any post?
Yeah, I am directly elected as Greenhouse Vice Captain.
Already you have an name.
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Now, Greenhouse
Vice Captain.
Vice Captain. Very good. Congratulations for that.
Thank you, sir.
Do you think that you have the ability to handle if students come across any problem?
I am sure enough that I will handle it. If they will cooperate, I will make sure my team is best.
Okay.
That's it.
Tell me, are these school elections are important?
These are very much important as we can elect our head girl, head boys and cabinet leaders by our own and by choosing good leaders for the school.
Okay, just now you are sitting there as a presiding officer. Did you learn anything after that? I mean, share your experience as a presiding officer. Did you learn anything? Participating, being a presiding officer, did you learn anything from?
Presiding officer is responsible for conducting polling station. Presiding officer is responsible for conduct in their polling station and make sure that he must have good knowledge about voting procedures. And presiding has a presiding officer. He is responsible for all the instructions compelling on the integrity and secrecy for a ballot.
Okay, thank you, Sanjana. Okay, what kind of a changes are you expecting after these elections?
I am expecting the English environment, discipline, and the leader should be so politely and should maintain properly and should be so much in discipline. In discipline.
Okay, thank you, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Aditi. I am studying in 9th class.
Okay, Aditi, please tell me what is happening in the school today.
Elections are running in our school today. I am playing the role of State Chief Election Commissioner.
Okay, very good. Have you contested for any post in this election?
Yes, I am unanimously elected as Blue House Vice Captain, which is a great opportunity I have got from our school.
Okay, congratulations for that. Uh, Aditi, tell me, are these elections going to help for the children?
Yeah, in many ways it may be helpful for children. Like they can have an experience how to elect leaders in their futures. If they elect now, they can be experienced for future, like which type of leader we have to elect, what are the qualities of good candidate. So it is very helpful for future.
Okay, you have elected as Blue House Vice Captain, right? So, if any student come to you and ask they have so and so problem and ask you to solve it, how you're gonna solve it?
Uh, it would depend upon the matter how it is. If it is normal, polite matter, I will handle it in polite way, and I am sure that I would definitely handle any type of problem students have.
Okay, what are the changes would you like to bring in this school atmosphere?
The changes that I would like to bring are every student should maintain discipline, punctuality, good manners, and English speaking in their environment. And they should respect their teachers, parents, and everyone who are elder than the students.
Okay, thank you, Aditi.
Thank you.
What is happening in the school today?
In our school today, we are conducting elections.
The school's elections are going on. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Aditi,
Studying in?
9th class.
Okay, Aditi, please tell me, the head boy or the head girl you're going to elect, do you think are they capable uh, for you that in future if you are going to get any problem, are they going to solve it?
Yes, they are, and every candidate should be capable to solve other problems. Then only they should be elected.
Okay, tell me what qualities do you see in any leader?
The qualities that a candidate should be required are he should or she or he should be responsible, honest,
and he or she should be capable to solve other students' problem, which is the main quality I look for.
Okay, do you think that these elections, I mean school elections, are compulsory or important? Are they going to help in you in future?
Yes, in many ways it would be like during now elections, many people are confused at how which leader we have to elect, how we should elect. Our school is helping us to be experienced by conducting elections, and it helps us to build good leadership and empowerment in ourselves.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best for your academic year. Good morning, sir. Could you please tell me what is happening in our school premises today?
So very good morning, Mr. Srinivas. When your school elections for school cabinet for the academic year 2024-25 is going to end. So I will show you the details how we are going or conducting through the proper channel in our school cabinet. See there, all the officers, election officers are presiding officer, returning officer, and chief election commissioner. And these are the ballot boxes we are using here, and as well as so in our country, the right to vote is from 18 years, but in our school, we are giving a right to vote from 4th standard, approximately from 8 to 9 years students, and this is conducting every year to bring the awareness among the students and to know them about the importance of the election and about the vote, so that in our country, so every citizen has a right to vote. So most probably we are getting so to bring awareness the importance of the vote and maximum try to vote above 70% in each and every constituency. So on what happening means especially on the election day, so many citizens of India are treating that it as a holiday for them and not coming forward to vote. So here are the students in a proper channel. So they are using the voter slips and the symbols and the voting mark on the left hand index finger. And this is the girl who is making mark. And here all the polling sheets are issued with symbols, and there is their voter slip they are giving there, and she is checking whether his or her name is in there in the list or not. There is no chance of bogus here, and they are how to maintain the proper queue. So here police officers also there to maintain the discipline in the school. So each and everything from the school onwards only, we are making them proper knowledge about the how to vote and how to stand in the queue and how to wait and how to elect the proper student who fight for their rights in the school level. Thank you, Sri.
Sir, is it necessary to conduct school elections?
Yes, it is very important to conduct school elections in the school cabinet. It will be useful for the teachers also, even for the management members also. When we elect these leaders, they will take part in all the activities, and it will be very easy for the teachers regarding to maintain the discipline in the classes as well as maintain the discipline at the school ground, and while they are entering into the school and while they are living in the school. So all these things, duties, they will perform by the leaders, and if any problems will be faced in the classroom, that will be rectified by the class leaders, and if it is not possible by them, they will bring notice to the head boy and the head girl, so that it will be easy for them to solve all the problems which are the minor problems, solve at their class level only, and it will be easy for the school principal also.
Sir, how it is useful for future of these students?
Yes, why? Because it is useful for the teacher means if the teacher is coming to the class when the bell rang 5 minutes late or something, so they will maintain the class in a disciplined manner. So until the teacher will come, the class is in a disciplined manner, and they sit calmly and they will read before the teacher is coming to the class.
Sir, please tell me how it is going to be helpful for future, like state when they become 18 years old, they are going to vote for their state politics, for their assemblies, and for their MPs for Parliament House. So how it is going to help for their future?
Yes, Mr. Sinhas, already I told that this is awareness bringing elections. So when we are conducting these type of election in the school cabinet level every academic year, so if they come out their talent, if they become in the future, if they are trying to nominate as a panchayat elections, as a sarpanch, as a councillors, as even MLAs also, this will be very helpful for the future. So they here in the school level only, they learn how to vote and how to cast and how to nominate and how to get the qualities of a leadership. They learn here clearly the quality of the leadership. So if I become the leader, I can do this. So it will be very helpful for their future to become a good leader and good citizen of India. So it will be helpful for all the elections in country.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
What's happening in your school today?
In our school, voting elections are conducted today.
Okay. Did you cast your vote?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the qualities do you like to see in a candidate while casting your vote?
I like the qualities from the candidate. They have good qualities. They have good qualities like they speak respectfully. They see to us to be happy, and they speak respectfully for elders, and they maintain properly. Thank you.
Okay. Why is it important to vote in school elections?
It is important to in voting in school elections because we get chance to vote in school elections. It is easy to vote in future, and school elections make us in state and national elections.
Okay, tell me, how do you think elected candidates can make a positive impact in our school?
The elected candidates can make positive impact on our schools. They make English environment and they make English environment and they do properly better than last year English environment, and they can make schools. They make big nature in our school.
Okay, what are the changes do you want to see from these elections as a
I
result?
want to see changes in selections. They have to maintain properly and speak English in English environment, make English environment and discipline better than last year. And discipline English environment better than the last year.
Okay. In future, are you going to stand for any post in these
Yes,
school
sir.
elections?
Yes, sir.
What would be the
Head gun of this institution.
as a head girl?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
We are the youth of the nation, high in the sky. We are the new generation. We are the youth of the nation, high in the sky. We are the new generation, leader, leader, leader. Leader, generation. Leader. 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 Sign James. Leader. We are the youth of the nation. High in the sky. We are the new generation. We are the youth of the nation. High in the sky. We are the new generation. Leader. 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 Sign James. Leader.
Are completed of counting votes. Now the candidates and the participants are checking their votes. After 15 few seconds, the result is in front of you. Academic year. Now students, can you guess who is your social science secretary? So Vaishnavi got 21 votes. And today's winner for social science secretary, none other than, your guess is correct, Samiksha from? She got 55 votes. Sit down, let's keep quiet. Two houses, winners are unanimously, okay? So one is from Greenhouse, Sanjana, Greenhouse Vice Captain. And another from Blue House, unanimously, she has won the already. That is none other than Aditi from 9th standard. Counting is going on. So firstly, already counting is in the process between Akshita and Sri Vaishnika. And Blue House come Aditi. Unanimously they won. Here from Blue House, Aditi from 9th standard.
Competition between the Akshita and Sri Vaishnavika. Vaishnavika secured 20 votes. Secured 58 votes. She has elected as a Red House
Sadia and Mahin from 9th standard. Okay? So counting is already started. So wait for the result. Okay? Sadia is leading. Final result is not yet. You have to wait. So still the result is in pending. Candidates are rechecking their votes. After this, within few seconds, the Red House Secretary results will be declared. And Sports Secretary results are announced. So means Red House Secretary. So game sign, Sports Secretary in charges for the academic year 2024 and 25. The competition is between, as I said earlier, Mahin and Sadia from 9th standard. So Mahin got number of votes 14. So put your hands together for us. Academic year, Games and Sports Secretary will be Sadia, who is the winner. She got 61 votes.
Year 2024 and 25, the head girl for this institution is one student has secured 55 votes and the one more student has secured 246 votes. There was one side result was given by the students. The winner of this head girl is everyone keep silence for two results of head boy for this academic year 2024 and 25. As we have seen in the history of Akshara, for the first and the foremost time, there was a very big tough between these two personalities. Have secured 150 votes. Both the students have secured 150 votes, but one student has secured 4 votes more than the other person. Means one student has got 150 votes, another student has got 154 votes. So finally I am going to reveal the results of the head boy for this academic year 2024 and 25. I will raise the hand, he will be the head boy of this institution. Okay?